I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the collar up and the wide end set a bit longer. Start now. Place the wide end on your right and the narrow on your left, about 12-15 cm higher. If you want a symmetrical look, choose the school Windsor. For speed, pick the simple knot. Once done, cross the wide end over the narrow. Make sure the tension is light so you can wrap smoothly. These first moves set the shape, so keep motions deliberate but relaxed. Now continue by wrapping the wide end under and then over the narrow twice for a firm school knot. As you form the front of the knot, use your thumb and forefinger to create a small dimple in the fabric. This gives a crisp appearance. Once the loops are in place, slide the knot upward by holding the narrow end and gently pulling the knot toward the collar. Make sure to keep even tension so the knot remains symmetrical and the tie length ends near your belt. Finish by buttoning the collar and seating the knot against your neck. Pull the tie snug but not tight. Comfort matters. Center the knot and smooth the front with your hand, tucking the narrow end behind the wide so it stays hidden. If the knot sits crooked or the lengths are off, loosen completely and retie rather than forcing adjustments. Redoing takes 30 seconds and fixes alignment. Once satisfied, lower the collar and check the dimple remains crisp for a neat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.